to everybody. Had a delivery this morning. As you remember, when we took the exhaust off, obviously the state of the bolts and how bad they actually mangled. So some new bolts have arrived and a box. So let's get this open. Oh, basically, new exhaust. The old one has basically had it. That's all the downpipes. Collector. Pipe and some clamps. So quite a lot to do putting it all together. Let's give you a closer look. So it looks much nicer, and some exhaust gaskets as well. So there's the new bolts. I do have the plug. Luckily all the pipes are numbered, which is really good, that correspond to these. So let's start putting it together. So link pipe we're not going to leave for now, put that to one side. Match with the corresponding numbers. And it's just the springs to do. Alright, so let's get this fitted. Alright, I've just rested it in position. As you can see, the box is underneath supporting it at the moment. It's just so I can get it all in line, make sure it all matches up perfectly. Now I can start to bolt it in. Right, let's get this first one loosely bolted up. not actually going to tighten these yet. I just want to, just so it's basically in position. Right, so that's that side done. Right, so let's get this side done. Right, again, same as before, just keep this loosely bolted in place. Also loosely refitted the oil lines. There is an option that I did find out. Again, that was Frank. You can actually blank all these oil lines out with blanking plates. But one thing he did, so he didn't. He actually he runs a booster fighter as well. He actually doesn't run an oil cooler, which would sit here normally. But one thing he did tell me is, which I didn't even know existed, behind the oil filter, when you take out the oil filter, there's a Allen key bolt up in the 1 o'clock position. You must take that out, apparently, as well as he told me. I didn't know that it will blow the motor if you decide to blank all these off and don't release that, because it's obviously a pressure. But I'm sticking with the oil cooler. Right, so that's that bit done. So I just need to bolt the middle bit up. If you can see actually under here, get some light in there for you. Right, that's where it's got a bolt to. I think you can see on the floor, just in front there, that was the old bit that had snapped off from the original. So I've just got to shove a bolt through this part, and then we can connect the link pipe. That was basically what was on the old exhaust, where it had just rusted and snapped. And a very corroded bolt, so I'm going to put a brand new bolt through that. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the new bolt in to actually hold this all in place. Basically I had to put a new bolt, new nut, as the other one was just totally rusted. So I just need to turn the bike round because I haven't got a lot of room this side, and then we can sort the link pipe out. Right, so turn the bike round, left on its side side stand, so you can get a better look. So far, quite happy with this exhaust. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get them. Alright, let's sort the link pipe. Alright, so that's the link pipe done. I've just done it loosely at the moment so I can get the right angle for the end can. And the end can has arrived as well. That is what I've gone for. It's basically like a MotoGP style. Can. Movable baffle. Only problem I do have is obviously this has the spring tabs, where obviously the link pipe doesn't. They do actually provide you with a couple if you want to weld them on. I may just use a clamp and actually cut these off. Comes with a reducer as well. So let's try it for size. Just put that on loose for now. As I say, I might even cut these off and then just go with a clamp just to grow it up, be a firmer, and then tighten that one at that end. No, overall quite pleased with that. Can't actually wait to get it started up and see what it's like. But as I say, the exhaust itself, yeah, quite pleased with that one. Link in the description below to where you can get the downpipes. Comes with the link pipe. Obviously the end can is up to you. That's just personal preference. Has to be a slip-on pipe, unlike the originals like I've got here, which are actually the 3-bolt. Transforms it into a slip-on. So that's about it for today. Right, just got to clear up the excess packaging. Well, I hope that was helpful and everybody enjoyed it. Join me again in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Cheers.